Hi, Ewell at Kansas Home Guys, out here checking on another one of our projects today. Today we're working on a house out in Valley Center, and this is a hole that we're digging out, an egress, so we can put in a window for egress window, so you can have an additional bedroom in the basement. This is where we're cutting that egress in. This is the concrete that's going to have a window in it pretty soon. Out here, and we see this is going to drop into the hole and keep the dirt from caving in on the walls. So it's just going to be like a metal wall inside the hole. And what these do is these are here just in case there's an emergency, a fire, that there's an escape. So you have another way to escape, not just through your door. As we are looking at the outside where we've installed that egress window, we've got all the dirt packed back in around the hole that we dug out. We've got the window installed. We've got the metal surround and the ladder. The ladder's just hooked onto the edges here and right there. So this is the outside. There is a cover that goes over this, and that's just sitting behind me. That's going to be the last piece that we get installed, and that's kind of on a hinge. So that way, if you're crawling up that ladder, you can push that open and get out of the basement safely. This is the inside down in the basement and the bedroom that we've added. So what we did is, if you remember, we cut out this concrete and got the window put in. On the outside, we had to dig out the hole and put that steel frame in to keep the dirt from caving in on this hole that we dug out. So what this does is this just allows somebody to escape in case of a fire or other emergency, and escape through that window, crawl up the stairs, and they can get to safety. So we've added an extra bedroom to this house, and it's going to increase and add a lot of value to the new homeowners. And thank you very much for watching.